So, in this live streaming, you would have a chance that you can learn how to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So the content of this live streaming is for you, those who never ever solved Rubik's Cube before, entire beginner. So if you are an entire beginner, the content of this live streaming is exactly for you. So let's get started. The first, just let me scramble the cube. Okay, the very first beginning, the first step will be just to find yellow centerpiece. This is the yellow centerpiece. Here, centerpiece. So there's only one yellow centerpiece. So do not worry about that. You are not going to have any difficulty in finding yellow centerpiece because there's only one. Okay, if after you find yellow centerpiece, hold your Rubik's Cube like this, or like this, or like this, meaning that no matter which color you are facing, that's okay. Blue or orange or green or red, that's fine. Make sure all you have to do is just to make sure you have a yellow centerpiece on the top here and hold your Rubik's Cube like this. And let's go with red in this case. Okay, the next I'm going to make white cross with yellow centerpiece. White cross means that I'm going to put white center block into here, there, and there. Okay, here's how I can do this. And there are only 4 white center blocks among all the blocks. So all you have to do is first find the right white center blocks somewhere into top layer or second layer or bottom layer. Okay, the first one is I have here. Take a look at this one. So I want to move this white face from facing right side to the top here. So here's how I can do this. First, if you have this position, and if you want to put this white face, not the right side, but top on the top, here's how I can do this. First, just rotate this face to forward or backward, okay? And in this case, I'm just do this one. And take a look at this one, this position here. And now this white face, white block, center block, is located in the second layer. If you have the white center block in second layer, it is very easy to place here or here or here, there. All you have to just load it like this here. And now I have just completed one white center block into from the white cross that I'm going to make. The next one is here. Okay, same thing is happening. So if I want to this white center block from here to there, here, there, or there, or there, all I have to just like first move like into the second layer. But if I do this, take a look at this one, and if I do this, take a look at these positions. If I look like this, and if I like to like this, so this white center block will disappear to somewhere. I don't like this idea. So in this case, just rotate the top layer to you have empty space for this white block, okay? And once you have empty the space for this block, all you can do is just like this here, and I have 2 of them, and I'm going to need the rest of the 2 of them here. And just to take a look at and find the exact here, I have the next one is here, and here in the second layer. So it is going to be very easy because all you have to do is just load it like this, and take a look at it, the white and white and white, and all I need is right here. Now where is the center white block? I think I have right here. Take a look at this position. So if I rotate like this, same thing would be happening. So this white block, white center block will disappear to somewhere. I don't like this idea. So in this case, just empty the space by rotating the top layer and take a look at this the positions here, and I can do this like this. And now I have yellow and white cross. This is the completion of this step. And after you have yellow and white cross, make sure and hold your Rubik's Cube like this. And next. So no matter which color you start, it's okay. So, but make sure you have the center block in the middle block in the top with the different colors, okay? Orange, blue, red, and green. And hold the Rubik's Cube like this or like this. So no matter which color you are facing, that's okay. So let's go with this position here. The next, rotate second layer and the bottom layer at the same time until you align these two colors here. In this case, orange. So once you align these two colors, top and the second in the middle, all you have to just clockwise or unclockwise, just rotate 180 degree here, and I just completed orange. Okay, and next, change your position. And now I have red. And remember what I did? Yes, rotate second layer and the bottom layer at the same time until you have aligned these two colors here, red and red in this case. And once you align these two colors, just all you have to just rotate clockwise or unclockwise 180 degree until you have these blocks, this block in the middle, in the bottom here. Okay, I just completed red. Change your position. And how about green? So rotate bottom layer and second layer and bottom layer at the same time. And I have aligned these two colors. And once you have aligned, remember what I did? Yes, just clockwise or unclockwise. Just 180 degree rotation. And last one is blue. So just rotate here, and I have blue and blue. So here in the bottom, I have blue, but don't worry about that. It doesn't matter if this is blue or not. Just focus on the first layer, the top layer and the second layer in the middle. So if you have aligned these two colors, so all you have to just do clockwise or unclockwise, 180 degrees. And take a look at the bottom. You have white cross in the bottom. So this is the completion of this step. Okay, the next I'm going to complete white face in the bottom with all the side colors are aligned. So here how I can do this. First, hold your Rubik's Cube like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. Meaning that no matter which color you're facing, that's okay. Okay, let's go with orange, this case. Okay. And next hold your Rubik's Cube like this. And make sure you have white space, empty space for white here. This is orange, not white. So meaning that you have hold your Rubik's Cube like this. And focus on this corner block in the bottom right front here. And next, take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom here. I have orange, I have blue. And next, find the right corner block for this space, meaning that I would need orange, blue, and white. Actually, the right corner block, my target block, is placed into the corner here, the bottom right front here. But facing the wrong direction. So I want to face in the bottom here. In this case, hold the Rubik's Cube like this. And the next, all you need is just 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. I'm going to tell you what the 1, 2, 3, 4 movement is. Okay, take a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. And all you have to do is just to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Okay, until 1, 2, 3, 4, until 1, 2, 3, 4, until just repeat 1, 2, until you complete the right corner block into right place here. And the next, stay here. Do not change the position. Okay. The next target would be this one. So first, rotate the bottom layer of a Rubik's Cube until you have empty white here, empty space for white here. And then take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom. Here, I have green, I have orange. And next, find the right corner block for here. Actually, it is happening exactly the same pattern as I had here. So this corner block is right place, already placed in right space. However, a wrong direction here. White is looking just facing to me, not the bottom. So in this case, hold your Rubik's Cube like this, and just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 until you complete the placed right corner block into right place here. And okay, the next one is here. Take a look at this one. I have already have the white. However, take a look at the colors and the block of the bottom front right, the bottom right front here. So I have blue, I have red, I have white. So this block is not placed right place because I want to this corner block with the color with red, green, and white, not this one. In this case, and take a look at the colors. Red, green, in the middle, in the bottom. Here. So like I explained, I would need red, green, and white, not this one. And next, find the right corner block for this space, meaning that I have right here. You see, green, red. First, rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you have your target block into top right front here. And if you have this position, all you have to do is just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 until you complete. Placed right corner block into right place here. So I have completed this corner block. And next, rotate your bottom layer until you have the next target here. I have empty whites here. And the next, take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom. Here I have blue, I have red. And here I have my target block for this space. And hold the Rubik's Cube like this. Do not change your position, okay? And just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 until you complete placing the right corner block into right place here. So here, take a look at the bottom. I have completed white in the bottom, and all the side colors are aligned here. So this is the completion of the first step, okay? And the next, after you complete white in the bottom and all the colors are aligned, just rotate the top layer and the second layer at the same time until you have this shape. Take a look at the blue. So this shape, you make this shape. And if you align just one color, the rest of three colors are automatically matched, aligned. Take a look at the all colors. So meaning that all you have to do, all you have to care is just one color, and no matter which color you choose, that's okay. So after you make this shape, in this case blue, hold the Rubik's Cube like this and rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you make sure you can make here this shape. This is called the reverse T shape. It's capital letter T, you see? And this is a reverse capital letter T here. And after you make the reverse capital letter T shape, take a look at the top here. So you have orange. And the next, take a look at the colors on both sides. In the bottom here, I have red on my right side. I have orange on my left side. So I forgot to tell you that the goal of this is the next step. The goal of the next step is I'm going to complete the second layer, okay? And take a look at this orange. And I'm going to move this center block in the top, in the middle, on my right side here, meaning that I'm going to switch these two blocks each other here. Here is how I can do this. Hold the Rubik's Cube like this and start from the right side 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here and turn the Rubik's Cube to the left, 90 degrees. And from left side 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here. Take up. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. I don't know why. Just let me correct. I think I just made a mistake. Here, yeah. I know what I did. Okay, forget about what I did previously. Yes. Take a look at this shape. So I have blue reverse T shape, and take a look at the top is red, and the red is right side. Here, I think I made a mistake because orange was not the right side. It's actually on left side, but I did the right side rotation. Okay, forget about my previous rotation and focus on this time, okay? I have a blue reverse T shape and red on my top, and red is my right side, okay? And here how I can do this. Hold the Rubik's Cube like this, and start 1, 2, 3, 4 movement from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the Rubik's Cube to the left 90 degrees. And 1, 2, 3, 4 movement from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, take a look at this block. I have completed moving this block from the top center to my right side in the middle here. So this is a completion. Okay, next. Okay, forget about just rotate the top layer until you make sure you can make the reverse T shape. But I can't make the reverse T shape with blue anymore. So forget about the blue. To change the direction. Here, take a look at this one. I have a red reverse T shape and a green on the top. And the next, just remember what I did. Yes, make sure both side colors in the bottom here. And I have green on my right side and green on my top. So meaning that I am going to move this center block on the top to my right side in the middle here. I'm going to switch these two blocks each other. So here is how I can do this. To hold the Rubik's Cube like this and start 1, 2, 3, 4 movement from right side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn your Rubik's Cube to the left here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here. Take a look at this block. I have completed moving this block from the top center to the right side in the middle here. And this is the completion. Okay, and I think I have complete here and there, not here. Okay, let's make this one. Okay, the first rotate like this, and just makes the reverse T shape. And take a look at the color on the top. I have orange, and orange on my right side. So remember what I did? Yes, if I want to switch these two colors each other, these two blocks each other, all I have to do is just rotate first 1, 2, 3, 4 movement for the first 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the Rubik's Cube to the left here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at this block. I have completed moving the block from the top center to my right side in the middle here. And here is the comparison. And take a look at this one. I have a reverse T with the orange, and in this case blue, and the blue is on right side again. So here, and I'm going to switch these two blocks each other. Here's how I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch the position to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at this block. I have completed moving this block from the top center to my right side in the middle here. And I have just completed the second layer. Here is the second completion of this step. Okay, so after you complete the second layer, all the colors are aligned. The goal of the next step would be I am going to make yellow cross on the top, yellow cross on the top. So here is how I can do this. So take a look at the yellow cross. So I have two of them, yellow in already here, but I don't have this one. So in this case, rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you have this shape. Do not start with this shape. You have to always start with this shape. Here, take a look at this one. And first, okay, I'm going to show you the rotation. First, hold the Rubik's Cube like this, and first rotate front layer of Rubik's Cube to the right side, 90 degree. And 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and rotate the front layer of Rubik's Cube to the left. Okay, to the original place. Take a look at the top. I have completed the yellow cross on the top. So this is the completion of this step. So after you have this yellow shape, just rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you make sure you know the the color of in the middle and the second and the bottom layer is aligned here. And I have blue completed. And take a look at the other colors. I don't match here and there. How about this one? So remember this. So every time you have you complete a yellow cross on the top, you would have either two colors are aligned or four colors are aligned. The goal of the next step would be four colors are aligned. So meaning that you have to align with the next movement. Four colors are matched, are aligned with the top in the middle of the top and the second and the bottom layer. So okay, and like I said, you would have either two colors are aligned or four colors are aligned. But in this case, you have only blue, so meaning that forget about blue. So change the position and rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you make sure here the in the middle and the second and the bottom layer are aligned here. And take a look at here. Take a look at this one. You have two colors are aligned here. In this case, red and green. And after you have this position, hold your Rubik's Cube like this. Do not hold your Rubik's Cube like this. The one complete face, in this case red, is facing to you, and another complete face on your right side. This is a mistake, okay? You have to always hold the Rubik's Cube like this. One complete face facing to you, so this in this case green, and another complete face should be placed into your left side here. This is the right position. After you have this position, all you have to do is just the next movement, okay? Hold the Rubik's Cube like this and start 1, 2, 3, 4 movement from right side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here and rotate the top layer to the right, 90 degrees here, 1. And again, stop right here and 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here and rotate the top layer this time 2 times to the right. 1, 2, 180 degrees. And 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop right here. And just rotate the top layer of Rubik's Cube until you make sure all middle colors are aligned with second and the bottom layer. Here I have green complete, orange complete, red complete, and blue complete. So this is the completion of this step. Take a look at the top. Yellow cross, and all the middle colors are aligned with second and bottom layer. So after you have this, after you complete the yellow cross and all the middle colors are aligned, just rotate the Rubik's Cube until the upside down, until you have white on the top and yellow in the bottom. Okay, the goal of the next step would be I'm going to complete yellow face in the bottom. Yellow face in the bottom. Okay, here's how I can do this. So hold your Rubik's Cube like this. And so take a look at the bottom. I have yellow already here, and that I don't have here, and there, and there. So all you have to do is just first rotate, hold your Rubik's Cube like this, or like this. I think this is much better because you don't have the yellow in here. So start with this position. Okay, and here how I can do this. So hold the Rubik's Cube like this and just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop right here until you complete yellow in the bottom here. And next, this is very, very important that you have to remember. Do not switch the position. Instead, rotate the bottom layer until you have a next position here. This is the next position. Take a look at the color. I don't have yellow here. So this you have to start right here. Do not change the position, okay? And just repeat the same rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 until you complete the right corner block into right press here. And next target block is here, space is here. Do not change your position. Instead, rotate the bottom layer until you have the right corner block, the next space, next target block, the space into your bottom right front here, bottom right front here. Bottom right front is the most important space for entire rotation, okay? And after you have this position, so all you have to do is just to make 1, 2, 3, 4 movements. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 until you complete, putting the yellow corner block into the right front corner, bottom right front corner here. So this is the completion of this step. And the next step would be the final. The last step would to solve entire Rubik's Cube. So after you have yellow face in the bottom, the next rotate the bottom layer of Rubik's Cube until you match. Until you align the color in the middle and the top and second layer. In this case, red. So no matter which color you go, it's okay. So in this case, I have just chosen light. So in the next, I'm going to complete all the corner blocks with all right corner blocks. Take a look at this one. So this is yellow. However, the color of the sides, both sides are green and red. So meaning that this yellow corner block is not placed in right place. So because I want to here is red, blue, and yellow. So and hold a Rubik's Cube like this, okay? And start with this position, okay? And I'm going to have 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. And this is very, very important that you have to remember, okay? Every time I make 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, but every time should be 3 times only, not the 2 times, 1 time, okay? 3 times every time, okay? I'm going to show you. Hold your Rubik's Cube like this, and I'm going to have 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop right here. And after 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, take a look at the top colors on the colors of the top right front, the corner block into the top right front here. Take a look at the colors of red, green, and yellow. And the next, this is very important. Rotate the bottom layer of Rubik's Cube until you have the right position for this block. So this is the right position because I have, take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom here. I have green, I have red, and green and red. So this position in the bottom is right position for this block. So after you have this right position, all you have to do is just to make 1, 2, 3, 4 movement 3 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Take a look at this one. So I have completed moving this block to the right place here. And after 1, 2, 3, 4 movement 3 times, take a look at the colors on the colors the corner block into top right front here. And in this case, I have blue, I have red, yellow. And next, rotate your Rubik's Cube, the bottom layer of Rubik's Cube, until you have the right position for this space, this block. So this is the right position because take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom here. I have red, a blue, a red and blue. So this position is the right position for this block. So if you have this right position for this block, so all you have to do is just 1, 2, 3, 4 movement 3 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Take a look at this one. I have completed moving this block into right place. And after 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, take a look at the corner block into the top right front here. And in this case, I have red, blue, white. Oh my God, I cannot move on the next step. But don't worry about that. So it happens sometimes. So if you have this case, just rotate your bottom layer until you have the next target corner block into the bottom right front here. Take a look at this block. This is yellow, however, the wrong colors here. So and hold the Rubik's Cube like this. And just 1, 2, 3, 4 movement again 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and stop right here and take a look at the colors on the top front light here. You have orange, you have blue, and yellow. And the next, rotate the bottom layer of Rubik's Cube until you have the right position for this block. So this is the right position. Take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom here. I have blue, I have orange, and blue and orange. So this position is the right position for this block. And after you have this position, all you have to do is just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 movement 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Take a look at this one. I have completed moving the right corner block into here. Okay, the next, and take a look at the top right front here, top right front, and the colors. I have green, I have orange, and yellow. And next, just rotate the bottom layer until you have the right position for this block. So this is the right position. because take a look at the colors in the middle, in the bottom here, orange, green, and orange, green. So after you have this position, all you have to do just 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and just rotate the bottom layer. And done. So you just completed. I have just completed the Rubik's cube. So here is the entire rotation that I can give you. So as you have just witnessed, it was not so difficult to remember. Remember, all I had to do was just 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. And this is very important tip. So always you have to focus on this space, this block, the corner block into the bottom right front. Yeah, this is the most important block for entire rotation. And always you have to have the right corner block into here. So if you do not have the right corner block into here, just first just empty for this space. And next, find the right corner block for here, which is placed into either top layer, bottom layer. And the next, by using 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, and by using this space, the top right front, just put the right corner block into here. So this is the important tip. And especially the last part of this rotation. And like I always mentioned, stay here, do not change the position. This is another important tip. So if you have changed position all the time, especially in the last part, you would make a mistake. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I stop here. And maybe tomorrow at the same time, just bring your Rubik's Cube with you so that you can follow with me step by step. So thank you for watching and see you later.